Welcome to this video. I'll show you the new part of DFRNT, the Logical Studio that helps you run logical questions against your digital twin. It's just been added together with an upgrade of the TerminusDB core engine. We're using some bleeding edge new query abilities that are being developed with TerminusDB. So let's get to it. Here we have our logical twin. What we see in front of us is a sustainability development goals for a fictitious company, how they're tracking their outcomes towards the goals. We'll look at the data. We're moving into the type database and the data product. We select them all, we add them to the graph workspace, we select all of them, we use the layout engine to just show how these connect together. So we have the company wants to manage their carbon emission, and they're connecting those with the goals of the sustainability development goals. And they are all linked to Agenda 2030. It's just to show the data that we have in front of us. I'm now going back to the new part that has been added, the Logical Studio. And in the Logical Studio, you can add logic. That means that we can write a query that asks for all of this data. So what we can do now is to write a standard TerminusDB WOQL query. And what we'll do is that we'll look for triples. We'll look for the documents, and we will say that we want those that have a predicate of RDF type. We want to ensure that they are of a specific type. So we write type, that is a variable. We'll ensure that they are not of the type subdocument. What we'll do is to add a quad. We say that the type of type sys subdocument with an unbounded variable. So we say just unbound. It does not allow to have the predicate sys subdocument on it. And this is important that it's in the schema graph. And so we need to close that parentheses as well. And what you see here is that we have an unexpected token here. And so we remove that one and we're good to go. We can format that logic so it's really neat and nice. We run the logic and we get some data back. We can also look at this data using the pivot table, and we can see what types they are. And you can do that with your own data in the way that you want to run your logic. If we select all of this, of course, we can take it over to our Excel and paste it in. That means that we can work with the data as we would do in Excel normally. So going back here, we can see the WOQL logic, the core logic that we have been running against our database. And this, of course, is in addition to what you can do in general, like look at your ontology. You can look at a class diagram for this or expose it to Mermaid. We have the ability to work with graphs and show the contents, and now this added Logical Studio. So I'm super proud. Let me know what you think and how it works for you. So take it away. Thank you so much and take care. See you soon. Bye.